Hey everybody, this is Things from Tape, and today I'm going to be showing you my newest wallets. Before we start, I just want to let you guys know all my wallets I'll be showing on this YouTube channel will hopefully be wallet designs you've never seen before, because I used to watch videos and all the wallet designs were the same or similar, so hopefully mine are different. And if you like a wallet design but you don't like how the pockets are, I can change them for you. These are just example wallets. I won't be sending you this. If you want it, I'll send you a brand new one that I've just... These are older ones, so I'll just start. So we start off with this kind of wallet, of course. And then just as I said, everybody has these wallets. And so to be different and not make all the videos the same, I've combined Cookie Monster and Elmo and so on. And the inside is red, just two pockets, red and blue, and the inside is blue. Again, if you want more pockets, I can do that. Next wallet is one of my older ones, so the design would be a lot better if you ordered this one. It's thicker, and then I got his tail. Inside is black, and 3 ID slots. 2, 3, and then an ID slot, which goes inside this. Next, we have pig wallets. Pig, and then here's his tail. The inside is white. And again, we have 3 pockets. Got a white one, pink one, and a black one. And also an ID slot. This side up. And then this one is bad gift though. So that's that one. Next, we have Domo. So it's just all brown and 2 pockets. Next, we have our gun wallet. And again, all black, 2 pockets. This wallet is dedicated to the bass player of the band AFI, the band you're listening to right now. In the background, and his name is Hunter, and he plays for band AFI. And the inside is black, but it also has a clear divider for the money. Again, 3 ID slots. You can do up to 4 on each side if you want. Up to 5 on each side if you really want that. And an ID slot. We got our wallet for someone named Smith, apparently Smith. On the inside, it's like a turquoise. See? 2 different ones. And this has a black divider. And the same as the other one is 3 pockets, an ID slot on this side. And this is an Alice in Wonderland inspired one. Light. My first one with the divider. And 3 pockets again. And just another pocket. I can do other Alice in Wonderland designs like the Mad Hatter's hat and stuff like that. So if you want these some wallets, you can also do custom wallets. Just let me know. Message me, and they're really cheap, and subscribers can get them cheaper, so let me know. Bye.